Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to set up Binance for the first time in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is install the Binance app on your device. For that, head over to Play Store on your device and then in the search bar of Play Store, simply type in Binance. Hit download or install right next to Binance, which will install the Binance app on your device. Once it's installed on your device, you can simply head over to the app drawer on your device and then in the search bar, search for Binance. Open the Binance app on your device. And in the landing page, you can either select I'm new to crypto or I'm a crypto pro. Whichever suits you, select that. For now, I'm going to tap on I'm new to crypto. Here you can either enter your phone number or your email and then hit continue or continue with Google or Telegram. You can also sign up as an entity or hit login if you already have an account. Here too, you can continue with your passkey, your Google, your Telegram, or simply enter your phone number, hit continue and then enter your password and verify your phone number to log in. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.